I'm here at 301 North Avenue, Unit 207 in San Rafael. It's a fully furnished 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo with about 950 square feet in a luxury complex. Going up the stairs to our top floor unit. We have our own little patio here. And coming inside, we're greeted by the galley kitchen, appointed with everything you need, and an open concept living room. Kitchen features a large refrigerator, electric cook surface with oven, and a white dishwasher, quartz counters, and a stacked washer and dryer. In the beautiful living room, we find high ceilings, a dining area, couch, and TV, and a gas fireplace with a sliding glass door overlooking the balcony and the beautiful ranch next door. Off the living room, we come to our master bedroom. Has a king bed. Bedding can be provided, or you're welcome to bring your own. A nice large closet and a second closet behind the hall. There's a single vanity with storage and a shower over the tub. Even towels are provided if you need them, though you're welcome to bring your own. Next to the kitchen, we come to the second bedroom. It has a queen bed. Again, furnishings are fully available and given. There's a desk and a large closet. And then our hall bath has a single vanity with storage and a shower over the tub. This is the perfect home away from home and comes with everything you need to live comfortably.